Fitment of F connector. It is a straightforward fitment. Basically, cut off the sleeving. Okay, cut it in all around. Okay, make a little twine out of the screen cable. Remove the aluminum foil. Chuck it away. Cut and leave approximately just over a centimeter. Okay, now take the F connector, screw it in now. Let me do it from this side. Screw it, push and turn, push and turn, push and turn, until you can see the wire comes through. You can see more or less what it looks like inside. Okay, the excess screen cable, just cut it off. And that's it, voila, F connector fitted. Thank you.